Welcome back to another AUTOBODYTECH video. Today I'm going to tackle this damaged quarter panel and show you my favorite tools and techniques to restore it to its former glory. Let's get started. I'll go ahead and replace the door. This way I'll have a baseline of where I need my quarter panel edge to line up. The edge here will have to be pulled out and restored to match up with the door edge. I'll sand off the paint to bare metal with a 5-inch rotary with 180 grit sandpaper. I'll mark the body line in pencil with this body line tool. Then I'll attach wiggle wire to the body line where it's low and pull it out with a slide hammer. I'll hammer out the buckle in the lock pillar caused when the edge was hit. Now that the edge and body line are restored, I can move on to straightening out the wavy low and high spots throughout the panel. This is spray guide coat. I'll spray it onto the entire surface that I'm working, then I'll block sand it with 180 grit to reveal the low and high spots. All the spots that still have guide coat after sanding will be the low spots, and where it's predominantly bare metal are the high crowns. Crowns are caused by low spots. When a low spot is created, it goes deeper into the panel, pushing the surrounding metal, creating a high crown around it. I'll start metalworking the panel, getting it as flat as I can. After the first pass, I'll clean up the panel and check with the guide coat again. Now it's looking much flatter. It still needs a little more work. I gave it another pass with the dent puller and test fitted the bumper. I think it's ready for body filler now. I'll mask off the edges before applying body filler. This will keep everything nice and tidy. The body filler I'm using is Rage Optics. It has a color changing technology. It goes on pink and dries as a light gray. I'll apply a nice even layer across the whole quarter panel. I'll start off block sanding the upper portion of the quarter panel above the body line. My aim here is to have it nearly completed, but leaving just a little bit left to smooth over afterwards. Once I have it nearly completed, I'll redraw my body line and work the bottom portion. I'll mask off the body line so that I don't sand into the upper portion. This section was somewhat challenging to sand due to the convex indentation beneath the body line. After going back and forth with the sanding and adding another coat of body filler, it's finally complete. I'll double check my work with Quick Check. This will simulate a clear coat finish, allowing me to look into the reflections for any waves or imperfections. And there it is. It's fully assembled and ready to be delivered back to the customer. I'm really happy with the way this one turned out. Let me know your thoughts and comments on the repair.